In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who has access in Google Drive, see shared access permissions, Google Drive tutorial. Let's get started by opening Google Drive in your web browser. If you're already inside another Google app, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots in the top corner, open it and choose Drive. Once Drive loads, head to the home view. This gives you a quick overview of recent files and folders and is a good starting point. From here, move into My Drive. This is where your main folders and files live. If you're following along with the example, open the Documents folder, but feel free to select any folder or file you want to check. The process is the same, whether it's a folder or a single file. Hover over the item you want to review and click the three dots, also known as More Actions. In the menu that appears, choose Share. This opens the sharing panel, which is where all access and permission details are managed. Inside the sharing panel, look for People with Access. Click it to expand the list. This section shows exactly who has access to the file or folder and what level of permission each person has. You'll typically see roles like viewer, commenter, or editor next to each name. Viewer means they can only see the content. Commenter allows feedback without making changes, and editor can make full changes, including resharing in many cases. If you see a label indicating a different organization or external domain, that means the item has been shared outside your organization. You may also notice a general access section in the same panel. This indicates whether the item is restricted or accessible to anyone with the link. While we're focusing on viewing access today, it's useful to know where link-based access appears so you can